Welcome to the unboxing and tutorial video of DB3, our 3-gal professional dry canister vacuum made with up to 75% recycled plastic.
First is going to be the manual for the DB3, operations and parts. Next will be the disposable paper filter bag that comes with each unit. This is the upholstery tool. Next you have the dusting brush. You'll have the 2-in-1 floor tool. Here's the crevice tool. Then you have the different sections of the wand as well. So this is the pistol grip. Here's the second section. And the third section. And now you have the vacuum itself. The DB3 has a couple of different levels of filtration. So in order to access, you'll undo the clips, take off the motor head. Here we have the Sanifilter, which is the main filter of the DB3. So also, in the rear of the vacuum, you have another filter, which is accessed here. Just undo the 2 clips. And then you have an additional filter that will have to be maintained and replaced periodically. Okay, so assembling your vacuum. If you're looking to use the filter bag, which is optional, but it does provide an extra level of filtration, you're going to install it in the unit. This hole right here, the membrane is going to fit around the port in the vacuum where your vacuum hose is going to attach. And then we're going to take our Sanifilter, pop it in the vacuum like this. You're also going to need to install this component, the tool holder for the vacuum. This slot just slips in just like that, and then you have your tool holder as well. You'll take the vacuum head now, and then just place it on the unit, and you'll secure it in place with the clips on the side. The next step is to install the vacuum hose. So this is just going to screw onto the front of the unit like this. Next will be to take the pistol grip handle of the wand, and you'll have to screw it on to the end of the vacuum hose. So this goes on, and it threads counterclockwise. So just screw it onto the hose until it's tight, and then you have the pistol grip handle ready to go. You'll take the next sections of the wand, and just using pressure fitting, you'll attach those 2 sections to your wand.
Dustbane since 1908